If you're experiencing login issues on Zoho, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password and try logging in again. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your account's 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Check server status. Visit Zoho's status page or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If there are, you may need to wait until the service is restored. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Zoho. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Zoho support for further assistance.